It's a gorgeous day. I recorded some video clips, and then my device was telling me that I was almost out of space. So I went into my gallery and I thought, oh, I don't need all my past photos and videos. So I clicked select all, and then I went through and unclicked the ones I wanted to keep. However, the ones I did today I forgot to unclick, so when I deleted them, I deleted all the clips that I made today. Wouldn't you know it? Anyway, I will tell you what I did. I got onion sets, and I planted them, a row of them there, and over here I planted all the way around the perimeter of this little bed. And what I did in my video that I deleted, I showed you how I planted them. So I've got another area here that I'm going to plant some in, and I'll just show you. I'll put it down here, and this area isn't quite as developed as that, but I made a hole in the ground, and then I took my onion set and making sure that I had the correct end. See, there's two ends to the onion. This is the end the roots will come out of, and this is the end that the stem comes out of, the leaves. I made sure that I did it the right way, and then I put it down into the hole. And this dirt right here is a little bit clayey. The dirt over there is more loamy because it's got lots of compost and planting material. Anyway, I left a little bit of the top still showing, and I'll go ahead and put some good dirt around this, since I've got it right here handy, and I'm not showing you very well. I have discovered I am not good at holding my device and doing things with my other hand at the same time, but that's kind of how I did it. And then the other thing that I did, I've got a bunch of little broccolis and stuff, cauliflowers. I thought, wow, I think maybe I can risk one. I had 18 little containers with broccolis. My plan was to plant 4 seeds in each container. Well, I thought that's what I did. However, I managed to have a whole bunch of seeds. So there were 10 seeds in this one container, and I thought, I'm just going to plant them out. I still have 17 more containers. If these die, it's not a big deal. So I planted 1 row of broccolis, and I'm hoping that they do well. The onions that you see here that are already up, they managed to be ones that I missed from last year, and I've got several other places in the garden that I need to move over here along with these so that they're all in one place. What they will do is grow up tall and put out seeds at the top. That's what happened last year with the ones that I missed. You can see my garlics are coming up there nicely. Looks good. And my strawberries are looking good. They are looking better today than several days ago. They were kind of squished. The snow kind of flattened them down, and there were quite a few. There's still quite a few leaves that need to be plucked out of there. But they're greening up, and around June is when I'll have strawberries. So, well, you'll be bored if you have to watch me plant more onion sets and a few other things. So, if I have anything interesting to tell you, I'll come back and do that before I sign off. And we'll see you later. I have leaves in my hair, and my face is dirty, my hands are dirty. But I decided that's all I'm going to do for today. I got another row of onions planted, And I decided I had some, I think they were cauliflowers, or maybe cabbages, I don't remember which. I didn't have them marked very well. And they had gotten really leggy and were not doing very well. So I decided to go ahead and plant them and see what they do. They may just up and die. And if they do, that's okay. They were on their way to up and dying anyway, because I planted them too soon and before I had any grow lights, and just, they were not doing well. So I figured they can not do well down in the dirt, and who knows, some kind of a miracle might happen in the dirt, and we'll see what happens. So I still need to go back out and bring in my, mostly broccolis, with some other things too, that I put out to be in the sun and the breeze. And it's only 3:30, so I'll give them another hour or so and then bring them in and give myself a rest up and get this video put together and uploaded. And you know, I really like this. It's fun sharing what I'm doing with you all. And I know it may seem boring to you, but I notice when I watch other people doing the same thing, it's not really so boring, because I like when they pour their hearts out to me. I just want to say thank you to the, all of a sudden I forgot their name, wouldn't you know it? They had a drawing for a heat mat. Anyone who commented on their, on that particular video, and they had a drawing for it, and guess what? They won. So I sent them my address, and they will be sending me a grow mat that had been on my wish list. Oh gosh, look at those dirty hands. That had been on my wish list. I can still leave it there because a person can always use more than one. But at least it gets that wish. I was talking about dreams. That was one of my dreams, even though I didn't say it was a dream to get a grow mat, I mean heat mat, but I'm so excited. Anyway, as usual, and always, happy gardening. For those of you who are homesteaders instead of just gardeners, happy homesteading. I don't consider myself a homesteader because I live in town and just have a garden. I don't have any chickens or goats, or I just have to live vicariously with those of you who do. I just have my 2 kitty cats. And of course all the little insects and worms in the ground, I consider them mine too. Well, I got off track there. Happy gardening, and may the good Lord bless you richly, and I need to go wash my hands.